Hey guys, it's Ryan back with another video. This is gonna be my last video ever. Oops, sorry, but I hate my life so much. I feel like I have to go. I feel like I have to go to heaven or down to hell. I just can't do it anymore. I just hope you all have a good and happy life. Everyone who subscribed, please unsubscribe, dislike all my videos. Goodbye. Hope you all have a nice, good life.